Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning about conditionals, sentences with if. If you learn conditionals today, you will speak English with more confidence tomorrow. In this video, we'll break them down step by step with easy examples you can use in your everyday conversation. What if I told you grammar could predict the future or imagine the past or even dream about flying to the moon? Wait, grammar can do all that? Yes. Welcome to the world of conditionals, sentences that start with if and take us on a journey through possibilities, facts, dreams, and regrets. What if you could fly? What if it rains tomorrow? If I go, I will call you. If I eat too much ice cream, I get a tummy ache. Conditionals are sentences that describe cause and effect, possibilities, or hypothetical situations. Now let us understand conditional sentences. These sentences has two parts. If clause, the condition, the main clause, the result. Example, if it rains, we will stay indoors. If it rains is the condition, we will stay indoors is the result. There are four main types of conditionals, each used for different situations depending on time and possibility. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Zero conditional, if plus present, present. General truths, scientific facts, habits. If you heat ice, it melts. First conditional, if plus present, will plus verb. Real and possible future situations. If it rains, we will stay home. Second conditional, if plus past, would plus verb. Unreal or imaginary situations in the present or future. If I had wings, I would fly. This is an imaginary situation. Third conditional, if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Again, imaginary situations in the past. If she had studied, she would have passed. In the upcoming video series, we'll explore conditionals in depth, one step at a time. I'll divide the topic into 5 focused videos to make learning clear, simple, and enjoyable. Thank you, everyone.